How to fix Google Meet not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get Google Meet running again on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Tap on Apps and find Google Meet from the list. After that, tap on Storage. Then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data one after the other. From there, reopen Google Meet and check if the issue is resolved. Right here, if it's still not working, go back to your home screen. Long press the Google Meet icon and tap App Info. At this point, tap on Battery and make sure it's set to Unrestricted so the app isn't being throttled in the background. Moving on, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then reopen the app. Following this, open the Play Store, search for Google Meet, and install any available update. From here, once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Finally, once your device boots back up, head to the Play Store, reinstall Google Meet, sign back in, and check if everything is working properly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Google Meet on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.